Hey everybody, Nate here, Go-Karts are gone fishing. Back at you with another video. Let's see here. We got some new wheels, or tires. Wheels are the same. And inner tubes for the Troy Built. I have now fixed the throttle. It is now working correctly. Ow. And in case you guys didn't know, I did try the PTO and it did spin. And sorry about that. Everything else is pretty good on her. You know, she's pretty clean. So let's go look at the deck. Johnny did a lot of this welding, so big shout out to Johnny. Get some close-ups here. That's all new plate, all new plate, all new plate, all new plate, all new plate. Didn't finish welding it, but I don't care. That's all old stuff, sorry. That's all old stuff. This is a new plate. That's a new plate right there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 plates. We put 4 big old plates on it. That's why I was zoomed in. That was weird. So I think it's fine now. What do you guys think? We're gonna find out soon. So quick video for you. I'll do another video if it actually mows. I'm sure it will. I've been driving it around. It drives fine. Oh, I also fixed these. These weren't lined up. Like they weren't lined up with each other. One was like this, and I fixed those so they're better than they were. I could do better if I wanted, but hell yeah. What do you think of it, Johnny? What are we doing, Johnny? You want to tell them what we're getting ready to do?
Nope.
No, you got to give them a tease, Johnny.
Don't look that way then.
I just show us that. Show us that. Right? And then what's it going on, Johnny?
On the comment.
No, Is that possible?
Maybe. Maybe for this.
Hit the like button, guys. Thanks for watching.